Hello there. So Realme's upcoming tablet, the Realme Pad 5G will be coming soon, and it will sit at the top with the Realme Pad and the Realme Pad Mini directly beneath. Now you might think this will cost a lot since it's the top end model in this lineup, but you'd be wrong. Well, we don't know the exact price, but reports suggest that this will be cost effective, and once I tell you the specs, you will know how. Anyways, this will make its debut on May 26th in China. Right now we are unaware when it's going to be released globally. As revealed by Digital Chat Station, the Realme Pad 5G will compete with popular Xiaomi Pad 5, which isn't surprising, they have been doing this for a long time. This tablet will reportedly get a 2.5K 120Hz LCD panel, but the exact display size is unknown. We believe it will be 11 inches similar to Mi Pad 5. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 870, an upgrade over Snapdragon 860 found in Mi Pad 5. The Snapdragon 870 provides the flagship performance, while it also has excellent heat dissipation and power consumption control. For battery, expect a 8360 mAh capacity. In addition, the tablet will offer a stylus. Now, if you have noticed, whatever specs I have mentioned can also be found in another tablet. Ring any bell? It's Oppo Pad. By all indications, the Realme Pad 5G will be a rebadged Oppo Pad with its less premium branding, making it a tad more affordable. This means that the device will not be more expensive than 2000 yuan, less than $300. So if you want to know more about the tablet, you can check out Oppo Pad. I don't want to take any more of your time repeating the same stuff. Reports also suggest that a proper flagship will be coming with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chip, but we have no idea when and with what other specs. Anyways, if you do enjoy such videos, then hit subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell. That's it, thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.